Kat here, in-house photographer at PICHA, based in Cape Town, South Africa. And today we're talking about passion projects that get you ahead. Paid work is great. We all need it. We all have bills to pay. We've all got rent. But from my experience, what I found is that what gets me new potential clients is usually the shoots that I've done just for fun, passion projects. Shoots that I've come up with or someone else has come up with a concept and we've gotten together and we've come up with something really cool and we've all just done it out of passion and for fun. It's those shoots, whenever I post them online, the people see and I get so many comments on, so many people see them and they just love them. The shoots that I love the most, I can probably pick two right now since I got to Cape Town. I've been here about 4 years now. And there's two that I've done that people still comment on that I did years ago. And I still absolutely love them. And those two shoots have gotten me plenty of paid work. So it definitely pays off. So you may need to invest some money into this. Sometimes you don't have to. Sometimes it works out that you can get away with it without spending any money. But sometimes you may need to spend a bit of money, whether it's just for a backdrop or some accessories or just something that's going to make your shoot unique. And in that case, you ask everyone involved, if there's a makeup artist or a stylist or the model even, since you're all in it together, you need to discuss with them beforehand if it's something that they're going to be willing to spend some money on and tell them how much and then see if they will be willing to split the costs, because it's only fair if everyone pays towards it because you're all benefiting from it. And even if it's just a little bit of money, it will pay off in the end. I promise you that. So definitely discuss it in the beginning and you should go into the shoot and everyone's keen and involved. So these kind of shoots help you to go all out conceptually. And you get to just have fun and have no expectations and no guidelines, and you just get to go all out with your concept and try lighting that you've never tried, whether that's natural light or using strobes or using reflectors or, getting really creative and using a few different types of lighting together. It helps you play around with that so that if you ever have to use that type of lighting on a shoot with a client, then at least you've done it and you know how it works and you're not fumbling around on the day of the shoot. So that definitely helps. So I try and do this sort of once a month where I do a shoot just for me, just for fun. Helps keep me creative, motivated and passionate about all of the other work that I have to do, especially the stuff that's not as exciting and maybe seen as a little bit more mundane. It helps being able to do those projects because you know that you have this passion project on the side or that you're about to shoot another one, and it's something to be excited about. So overall, it's a collaboration. It's a collaboration with stylists, with brands, with makeup artists, and working with other people just helps to get word out about you, about your brand, about what you do. And that kind of networking is priceless because those people will think of you on their next shoot when they need a person, makeup artist, stylist, whatever you are, whatever you do, So it definitely helps to get word out about you, and it just grows and grows the more that you do that kind of thing because it's new people every shoot. You're not always going to get the same people working with you on every shoot, and that just mushrooms out and it's so exciting. So what you need to do is before the shoot, you need to brief everyone that's involved. You need to all be on the same page and you need to tell them what the direction of the shoot is, what the timeline is on getting images back to them, if it's going to take a week, a month, 6 months. Even if it does take 6 months, at least then beforehand they know, and they know that they're only going to get their images in 6 months. Then people usually understand. If you're doing this on the side and it's a side thing and you tell people, listen, I really want to do this shoot, but it may take me 6 months to get the images to you because I have a full-time job. If they really want to do it and they really want the images, then they don't mind waiting as long as they know that up front. Otherwise, it can be quite an issue because 6 months is a long time to wait for images, especially people who are active in the industry. So just be very upfront about it. And that helps with not having any unrealistic expectations with anyone on the shoot. And it just helps for the overall happiness and vibe within the group. So you need to pick a concept, that you are passionate about and that has meaning to you, so that you get to go all out, you get to have fun, and that passion just gets to shine through your images. And hopefully then when you post them, everyone's just going to see it coming through, and you are then going to get booked for loads of work after that.